Welcome back to Mini
Toys.
I'm Mommy,
I'm Minnie.
and welcome back to another episode of Mini Toys. Today we have a double pack of the Mini Brands Series 2. There are 5 surprises in each ball. Let's look at our collector's guide here. There are some gold. I see Tabasco, Baby Bell, A1 sauce, one of those. There's a couple glow in the dark, metallic. Then all these common ones here. These are the most commonly pulled things, but I'm really hoping that we can get a gold or a glow in the dark or a metallic, one of those really rare ones. But the common ones are pretty cool too. See if we can collect them all. All right, so there are 130 plus minis to collect, so I can't wait to get into it today. All new minis. Let's get into it.
Now let's open it up. Alright, which one should we pull first today? We got some organic spice. It looks really cool.
I think that's organic thyme.
Yeah, I think it is. Alright, what's next? We got the checklist so we can check what we got. And we got the Laughing Cow spreads. That's really good if you haven't tried it. It tastes really nice. Alright, let's see what our next one is. Oh, we got some cinnamon toasters. That's another one of the commons. I love all the little mini details. I love how it's so small. Alright, and we got some golden crisp. Wow, I love these. They taste very nice. Set it right there. Alright. Ooh, we got a shopping cart. I'll put that together while Mommy does hers.
All right, Minnie, it's my turn. So here's my ball. I cannot wait to see what I pull. I wonder if I'll get one of the rare ones. Let's get into it here. Take that part off. These can be kind of complicated to open. So let's see. I'm gonna get into my first surprise here. Oh, I can't wait to see what I get. All right, let's see. Oh, I think I got some, is this cat food? Oh, dog food. Premium dog food from Nude. Very cool. That is super awesome. So it looks like some chicken. Very good ingredients there. Very cool. So let's pull our second surprise here. Ooh, I wonder what this will be. Oh, another shopping cart. Let's see. I'll take that and put that together here in just a minute. So let's get into our third surprise. Oh, let's see. I got the collector's guide and I got a wedge of Port Salute cheese. Yummy, yummy. That looks good. All right, into my fourth surprise here. Oh, I got the same cereal that Minnie got. These cinnamon toasters, they are so yummy. Awesome, I'm gonna set that right there. And my fifth and final surprise. Let's see. Let's get that off of there. And I got another one that Minnie got. Another common organic thyme. This is another seasoning. So now we have 2 of these. So cool. All right, let's lay everything out that we got here. We got so many cool minis today. We got 2 of the organic thyme, 2 cinnamon toasters, golden crispy crowns. We got the dog food, the Baby Bell spread. the cheese wedge. Guys, we got so many cool things. What was your favorite, Minnie?
My favorite was definitely the cinnamon toasters.
Oh, here's our shopping cart. Let's put some things in there. Maybe pretend we're going to the grocery store. Oh, I knocked it over. That's okay. Put the cinnamon toasters at the bottom. Put our cheese wedge up here with our seasoning. Let's see what else we can fit in there. Oh no, it fell out of the cart. Let's try, maybe we'll just do those. All right, thanks for watching.